we are in section formula class 10. So we already have done the theorem of section formula. So now let us consider a line A and B. So in between there is a point P, x comma y, which divides the line segment AB into m is to n. So A is x1 comma y1 and B is x2 comma y2. So we can do in this way also. For calculating x equals to m multiply with x2, mx2 plus then n multiply with x1 and x1 divided by m plus, and similarly we can calculate y also, m multiply with y2, m y2 plus n multiply with y1 and y1 divided by n plus n. And this is a formula, section formula. Suppose if a line divides in the ratio m is to n. Now next condition is, if a line divides next condition, if a line divides into two equal halves, means line divides into two equal parts. So in this case, so this is A x1 y1, this is B x2 y2. Now this is a point P, x comma y. Now line divides into two equal halves, means in here it is in the m is to n ratio, divides in the m is to n ratio. In this case m equals to n. M equals to n because AP equals to PB. Line divides into two equal halves. Line divides into two equal halves means AP equals to PB. AP equals to PB. So we can write m equals to n. So m is to n. Now apply section formula in this situation. So x equals to, now formula is mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n. So x equals to, first calculate x, m is m, x2 plus again n equals to m, mx2 divided by here m plus m. So x equals to, take out m common, inside the bracket there is x1 plus x2 is left. Now m plus m is 2m. Now cut this m. So this equals to x1 plus x2 divided by 2. So in case line divides into two equal halves, at that situation x will be x plus 1, x1 plus x2 divided by 2. Now similarly we can calculate y also, and y equals to formula is same, my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. So y equals to my2 plus, instead of n we can write my1 divided by m plus n. So y equals to, now take out m common, here also m, because m equals to n. M inside the bracket, y plus y1 plus y2 is left, this is 2m. Now cancel, so y equals to y1 plus y2 divided by 2. Now this formula is known as midpoint formula. This formula is known as midpoint formula of section formula. Therefore, now we have to write the coordinate of point P. Therefore, coordinate of point P x comma y will be this equals to, what is x, what is the value of x, this is value of x, x1 plus x2 divided by 2, and what is y, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. And this formula is known as midpoint formula. Midpoint formula. Now let us take one example. Now example is, find the coordinate of a point or the points which divides the line segment joining the points A 4 comma minus 3. The question is, find the coordinate of point which divides the line segment joining the points A 4 comma minus 3 and B 9 comma 7 in the ratio 3:2. Now first we have to draw the line segment. Draw the line segment AB. Now this is A 4 comma minus 3 and this is B which is 9 comma 7. Now in between there is a point P which is x comma y. Let us consider the point P be x comma y. We used to calculate the point of coordinate P. Now this line segment divided by P in the ratio 3:2. Now M is 3 and N is 2. 3:2. In solution, first you have to write, let the coordinate P, coordinate of point P be x comma y, which divides the line segment joining the points A 4 comma minus 3 and B 9 comma 7 in the ratio 3:2. Okay, this point P divides the line segment AB in the ratio 3:2. This point P divides the line segment AB in the ratio 3:2. Now we have to calculate the point P. Now first calculate x by using section formula. After that you have to calculate y by using section formula. Okay, now x equals to Now x equals to mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n. Now x equals to, what is m? It is 3. This is m and this is n. 3 into x2. x2 is 9. This is x1, y1. This is x2, comma y2. 9 plus n is 2. x1 is 4. Divided by, this is 4. m plus n is 3 plus 2. Because m is 3 and n is 2. So x equals to 3 into 9 is 27 plus 2 into 4 is 8 divided by 5. So x equals to 35 by 5. This equals to 7. And y. Then calculate y. Y equals to, now first we have to write the formula, my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. So y equals to, m is 3, y2 is 7 plus n is 2, y1 is minus 3 divided by 3 plus 2. Y equals to 3 into 7 is 21 plus into minus 2 into 3 6 divided by 5. So this equals to 21 minus 6 is 15 by 5. So this equals to 3. So x is 7 and y is 3. Therefore point of coordinate P, x comma y, therefore point of coordinate of point P, coordinate of point P, x comma y equals to, x is 7 and y is 3. Now this is the answer. Okay, this was for today. Next class we will solve the exercise 7.2. Thank you.